Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how Tesla Cybertruck is made easy guide. Follow these clear manufacturing steps and I'll walk you through raw material selection, exoskeleton shaping, battery pack integration, and final testing procedures, with simple explanations and analogies so complex factory work feels straightforward and interesting. I will also highlight robotic stamping, welding, painting, assembly line coordination, software calibration, and quality inspections to give you a full picture. The body and frame start with huge stainless steel sheets that are cut and stamped into panels. Then robots weld and rivet parts into a continuous exoskeleton that replaces a conventional frame. Technicians inspect each seam and apply targeted finishing to remove imperfections, which preserves the truck's distinctive angular look. This stage emphasizes strength and longevity while preparing the vehicle for paint, electronics fitment, and subsystem installation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading technical guides and keeping notes on the go, with a crisp screen that's gentle on your eyes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a casual companion while watching factory videos, it pairs nicely. Now let's get back to the video. Powertrain assembly pairs motors, inverters, and axles on modular subframes, then integrates the battery modules into a secure chassis bay with cooling plates and safety circuits. Technicians verify electrical connections and perform initial charge cycles, while robots install interior panels, glass, and trim. The vehicle receives software flashing and calibration, followed by static and dynamic tests to confirm performance, range, and safety systems before leaving the factory floor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.